What appeals have been made in the Scott Peterson case? Have you ever wondered what legal steps were taken after the Scott Peterson trial? The case has seen numerous appeals since the conviction in 2000 for the murders of Laci Peterson and their unborn son. Let's break down the key appeals that have shaped this ongoing legal saga. The first major appeal came in 2012. Scott Peterson's legal team filed an automatic appeal of his death sentence with the California Supreme Court. This appeal was quite extensive, featuring a 423-page brief. The defense argued that the trial was unfair due to intense media coverage, improper evidentiary rulings, and errors during jury selection. They claimed the trial judge excluded jurors who opposed the death penalty but could still consider it. This, they argued, compromised Peterson's right to an impartial jury. They also challenged the admission of evidence, particularly the use of a police dog known for a poor success record in scent detection. Fast forward to November 2015, when Peterson filed a second appeal in the form of a Habeas Corpus petition. This appeal reiterated many earlier arguments but added new claims. One significant claim involved a juror named Rachel Nice. The defense argued that she failed to disclose a prior incident where she was threatened while pregnant. They believed this undisclosed information biased her against Peterson. In June 2020, the California Supreme Court heard oral arguments on Peterson's direct appeal. The court ruled that significant errors occurred during jury selection. They found the trial court dismissed jurors solely based on their written responses about the death penalty, even when those jurors stated they could follow the law. This violated Peterson's right to an impartial jury during the penalty phase. As a result, the court overturned his death sentence but upheld the murder conviction. The case was sent back to the San Mateo County Superior Court for further review regarding the conviction itself. Following the 2020 ruling, the San Mateo County Superior Court was tasked with re-examining the conviction. Peterson's legal team continues to pursue options to challenge both the conviction and the sentence, focusing on procedural errors and claims of juror misconduct. From a true crime perspective, these appeals highlight essential legal principles. They emphasize the right to an impartial jury and the impact of media publicity on fair trial rights. The case illustrates how appellate courts scrutinize trial procedures, especially jury selection, to ensure constitutional protections are upheld. The overturning of the death sentence while maintaining the conviction shows the complexity of balancing procedural fairness with substantive guilt in high-profile criminal cases.